Consider the radical expression 4 plus the square root of 6. Find the conjugate of 4 plus the square root of 6. So first we might want to mention what is meant by a conjugate. So we say that the expressions a plus b and a minus b are conjugates. So notice that the only thing different about them is the sign between the terms. So we're asked to find the conjugate of 4 plus the square root of 6. The conjugate is 4 minus the square root of 6. Multiply the expression by its conjugate. Alright, so what happens when we take 4 plus the square root of 6 and multiply it by 4 minus the square root of 6? And we saw examples like that just in a previous example, but let's apply the FOIL concept. So this gives us 4 times 4 minus 4 times the square root of 6 plus 4 times the square root of 6, and then from the last we'd have minus the square root of 6 by the square root of 6. And so that would give us 16. The middle terms, the like terms, combine to 0. And the square root of 6 times the square root of 6 is 6. So I have 16 minus 6, which is 10. So 4 plus the square root of 6 times 4 minus the square root of 6 is 10. And in exercise C, we're asked, are there any radicals remaining in the product? Well, no, there are not. And in fact, anytime you multiply a binomial with a radical term, by its conjugate, the product will not have any radicals. I should be a little bit more careful. I should say anytime you multiply a binomial with a radical term, but it's got to be a square root. Okay, this is not true if one of those terms was a cube root, and that's something that you might see in a later course.